Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to record slow-mo video on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the camera app over here. And right now from the camera, we just need to, over here you can see the camera, or you can just swipe it between. What you need to do is you have to use your finger and swipe like this. Right, you can move over here. So right now this is on slow-mo. If I wanted to change it back, all I have to do is just do like this, so it will be change it. So let me keep this on slow-mo over here. And right now over here at the top, if you tap on this, or if you check, you can set up the resolution. It depends on the device, so you can set the resolution over here. And right now if you tap on the red icon over here, it starts recording. As you can see right now, it starts recording and you can use it as well. So this is how you can record it. And also you can set up few kind of tweaking over here on the settings. So to do this, you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the camera. Now from here what you need to do is you have to go to the record slow-mo here, and you can set this up over here. Either you can record it at 180p HD at 120 fps, or you can set it as per your need. Once you set this up, you can just go back, get into the camera over here, and you can start recording the slow-mo. As you can see right now, it will be recorded. So all we have to just keep your phone like this, so everything that captures in between will be in slow-mo once you tap on it. And right now if you just need to go back, and if I play the over here, you can see this is all recorded in the slow-mo. Right, so this is how you can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.